Based on carefully conducted laboratory testing of overweight men, we know that going keto does not help burn more body fat than a regular diet. Instead, it forces people to drastically reduce their sugar intake. Remember, sugar is carbohydrate, the same thing. Normally, our body is designed to run on glucose. That's why when you eat fat, your body converts that to glucose. The fat does not just get burned automatically. You have to have glucose levels maintained. If the glucose was not necessary, you wouldn't have to worry about something called blood sugar at all. Those people who say that the glucose is not essential is absolutely incorrect. Otherwise, when we drove your blood glucose would be zero if you didn't need it, right? But when you're on keto, your body still makes glucose.
But of BMR, TEF, and meats is be far more modifiable. You're going to make an intentional weight loss goal. And again,
KETO.